So what's going on, guys? It's Miles back with another reaction. So we got a very interesting one for you guys today. This woman claims that romance is a poor man's sport. I know for a lot of you hopeless romantics out there, that's very triggering. Let's see what she has to say. This is a 13-minute video. We're not going to watch the entire video, and we're going to pause in between, but let's see what she has to say. Hit that like button for me. Here we go.
A fella left a comment under one of my YouTube videos where I was speaking about men don't protect you, they protect their benefits, right? You just receive the illusion of benefits when they're really just protecting what they want access to. It's not you necessarily. The fella said you need a man, right? And while I don't get comments like that a lot, I do get them every so often. And it's because men know that when women are with them, they're docile. Now, nobody knows what I got going on in my life. I say I'm unmarried, but nobody knows what's going on in my life, right? But to tell women about male nature, men handle that the way women handle the truth, right? They think you hate them. They think you don't want them, right? To know the truth about men is to have the power to choose, to decide if you want to be with them.
When did these women get so philosophical and deep and try to be the RP version, the Andrew Tate version on the women's side? When did they start becoming and do this stuff? Right now, she's not making any sense. Yeah, there are some guys that take advantage of women, but for the vast majority of us, you do everything. A good man, he does everything literally for his woman. He makes the money for her. He protects her and the child. He gets the house. He over leverage himself in the bad situations financially just because he wants her to feel a certain way and to think highly of him. She's not making any sense right now. Not saying that there's not any toxic guys. There are.
Right? They don't want you to choose. They don't want you to know better. They want you to just go with whatever it is that they present. And women like me who tell them the truth, who tell women the truth, they don't like. And they think there's no man and I'm hating men. Right? I've heard this before. That I hate men. Nothing in my content ever says I hate men. I don't speak to any of that. All I speak is to male nature. But men are just like women. They hate the truth. This is why I don't side with men or women, right? Men will get, happy when they hear me talk about certain things with women and they want to share content with me. I don't give a fuck about any of you.
That's an interesting talking point. I actually agree with her on that.
I'm not on the side of men against women, and I'm not on the side of women against men, because both of you are one in the fucking same. So men know that women are docile when they're with men, and they need you to romanticize them. Romance is a poor man's sport. Romance was invented for men who could not draw women to them with the things that they acquired. Men.
Let's see what she has. This is interesting. Let's see what she has to say. She's either way off or right on point. We about to hit crash and burn, or we gonna hit it right perfectly. Let's see what the hell she got to say.
Who are established, powerful, have resources, connections, and these things. Women flock to those men. Men don't have to pursue. Those men don't have to pursue women. It's the average and below average men who need women to believe in a fairy tale. They need women to believe that they're going to save them from something. Romance is not natural to male nature. That's why it's so hard for them to keep up with it.
She's off, but she's kind of on at the same time, meaning that rich and powerful men that have the options, they're not romantic, but they do sell dreams and stuff too. So let's not get that twisted. And they use allowance to get these women to be under financial control. And so the game goes much deeper than that. But I mean, she's not totally off in left field, but she's not totally on either. Some guys are just hopeless romantics. Some guys just want to be loved. Some guys just want, a family to love them and give them purpose in life. And, a lot of men, we fall into this illusion of being romance and women want love and all this stuff at a very early age through Disney and R&B music and all this stuff. So a lot of men are just believing the lie. It's not that they have ulterior motives necessarily.
And when they do it, they're doing it to protect their benefit. The benefit is access to you. They're not doing it because they're naturally romantic. They're not. The male nature is survival. It's eat. It's prey. It's prey on what I need. They become tamed in society, right? Because we can't have men out here just killing and maiming. But romance and loving, that shit is not in male nature. But they need you to believe that. Most men need women to believe that because that is the way they lure women in, right?
Yeah, like the Casanovas, those kind of archetype of guys. And those were guys who were not really up with a whole bunch of influence, but they use the romantic stuff as a gaming tactic. So there's a portion of men that do this, but I don't think this is overwhelmingly true. Um, I think men are actually more romantic than women because they want the woman to actually love them for them until they find out that, love is conditional and you have to have resources. You have to be capable of actually protecting them. So, I think men are the more romantic ones naturally more loyal. When a woman, whenever she sees a better option, she jumps ship, she completely ghosts you and goes to the next guy. So as a man, you're not like that. You kind of want this woman and that woman. If you had your pick, you wouldn't just leave the woman that you're with. You'd want the woman that you're with plus the other woman. And so she's kind of off. She really is off.
This is why I don't like pandering and simping and acting like, they care so much about women and women are gods. And I don't fall into that because it's just pandering. They have to
That she's right on that. The simps, the nice guys, they pander, they over compliment women just to get in their pants. They play the nice guy, they play the friend zone just with the ulterior motive of trying to get in their pants. They're 100% right. The powerful, attractive guy doesn't have to do any of that.
pander to the emotional side of women in order to gain access to them. A
Mm,
man of power, status, means they just exist, and women flock to them. They just exist. The average man, the poor man, the working class man, they have to do more than that. When you
ooh, there's a degree of that. Now, what women don't understand is when they're all shooting for that same guy, unless you guys are going to go polygamous, you're not going to all get that same guy. So you're going to have to settle for the average man. That's the other part of it that she's not talking about. Not every woman, you're not attractive enough and you don't have enough things valuable to get that man and to hold on to him. Yeah, you might get him to smash because you gave it up that easy that night and he didn't have anything else to do. But could you keep him is the thing.
remove the romantic aspect of relationships with men, you have to start looking at how they're going to benefit you. Because romance and love is fleeting, right? Eventually, you just get used to the person.
Mm.
There's no fireworks. That's why they're always looking for something else. They're always looking for the next high. Because
That's not men. That's completely women. Women are the main ones talking about the spark. So she's projecting right here. She's completely projecting a woman's thoughts onto a man's nature.
that shit, it gets to a lull. It just is. And you're just with the person. You're just building with the person, right? Women ain't really about survival. They're not really about, you know,
That's a damn lie.
getting ahead in life because y'all allow men to sell you romance, right? So,
Women are the ones that say they want to get married and all that stuff at an early age. They're the ones playing Barbie. So, all in all, guys, there were some things that she was right on, and the majority of stuff she's just projecting womanly thoughts on the men. And women like this, they think they're intelligent. They think they're speaking something monumental when in reality, they're taking talking points from men that are, logical and rational when it comes to analyzing women and just flipping it into a woman's perspective and thinking that and pretending that it's something bigger than it truly is. And it's not. So, but that's my video. You guys don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts below, subscribe to the channel. If you guys enjoy this daily kind of content, share the video, like the video. If you guys want support, the Cash App is right here. And all the other ways for avenues for you to donate are in the description below. Again, I thank you guys for watching to the end. You guys have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.